Hello everyone, welcome to our video on how to make money online in 2023. In this video, we will be discussing various methods, equipment, and platforms that you can use to earn money online. Method 1. Online surveys. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. There are various websites and apps that pay you for taking surveys. Some popular platforms include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. Method 2. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, then this is the perfect method for you. You can create videos, blog posts, or even infographics and earn money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are great for sharing your content and earning money. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few dollars to a few $1,000s depending on the size of your audience. Method 3. Online tutoring. If you are proficient in a certain subject, consider tutoring students online. Platforms like Chegg and VipeKid allow you to connect with students and earn money for providing them with academic support. You can expect to earn around $20 to $30 an hour for this service. Method 4. Freelancing. You can also make money by freelancing your skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who need their services. Whether you are a writer, designer, or developer, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online through freelancing. You can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $100 an hour depending on your skills and experience. Method 5. Selling products or services on e-commerce platforms. Online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay are great for selling products or services online. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even offer services such as consulting or design work. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few dollars to thousands of dollars depending on the success of your business. Method 6. Online trading. If you have an interest in the stock market and trading, you can make money online by trading stocks, options, or other financial instruments. Platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade allow you to trade online and make money through capital gains. The earning potential here is high, but it comes with a high level of risk. Method 7. Online gambling. Online gambling can be a way to make money if you are willing to take the risk. Online casinos and sports betting sites allow you to gamble on various games and sports events. You can expect to earn money if you are skilled and lucky. However, it's important to keep in mind that gambling should be done responsibly and with caution. Method 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever holding or stocking the inventory. You can find products to sell on platforms like AliExpress or Amazon, and use a third-party service like Shopify to create an online store. You can earn money by taking a profit margin on each sale. The earning potential here is good, but it also comes with a level of risk. Method 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. You can promote products through your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareASale are popular options for finding affiliate programs to join. You can expect to earn a commission of around 5 to 20% per sale. Method 10. Podcasting. If you have a passion for talking and sharing your knowledge, podcasting can be a great way to make money online. Podcasts can be monetized through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and SoundCloud are great for hosting and distributing your podcast. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few dollars to a few $1,000s per episode depending on your audience size and monetization strategy. Method 11. Online course creation. Creating and selling online courses can be a great way to share your knowledge and make money online. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera allow you to create and sell online courses on a wide range of topics. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few dollars to a few $1,000s per course depending on the topic and the number of students enrolled. Method 12. Virtual event or webinar. As the world becomes more digital, virtual events and webinars are becoming increasingly popular. Platforms like Zoom, GoToMeeting, and WebEx allows you to host events or webinars and earn money through ticket sales or sponsorships. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few $100s to a few $1,000s per event depending on the size of your audience and the type of event. Method 13. Graphic design. If you have a talent for graphic design, you can make money by creating logos, website designs, and other visual content for businesses. Platforms like 99 Designs and Upwork are great for finding clients and earning money for your design work. You can expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. For graphic design, you may want to invest in a good design software such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. For app development, you may need a computer with a good processor and enough storage to run development software. Method 14, Translation. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can make money by translating documents, videos, and other content online. Platforms like Gangdo and Translate.com are great for finding translation work, and you can expect to earn anywhere from 10 to 15 cents per word depending on the language and the complexity of the text. Method 15, Data Entry. Data entry is another simple way to make money online. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker are great for finding data entry work. You can expect to earn anywhere from $5 to $10 per hour depending on the complexity of the task. Method 16, Online Writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can make money by writing articles, blog posts, or even books. Platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, and Upwork are great for finding writing work, and you can expect to earn anywhere from 5 cents minus $1 per word depending on the type of content and the client. Method 17, Virtual Assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can help businesses with tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and conducting research. Platforms like Zirtual and Upwork are great for finding virtual assistant work, and you can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour depending on your skills and experience. Method 18, Online Coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can make money by coaching others online. Platforms like Coach.me and Clarity.fm allow you to connect with clients and earn money for providing them with personal or professional support. You can expect to earn around $50 to $150 per hour for this service. Method 19, Stock Photography. If you have a passion for photography and have a good eye for taking great pictures, you can make money by selling your photos on stock photography websites such as Shutterstock, iStock, or Getty Images. You can expect to earn a few cents to a few dollars per photo depending on the website and the popularity of the photo. Method 20, Online Consulting. If you have expertise or experience in a specific industry or field, you can make money by providing consulting services online. Platforms like Clarity.fm and LinkedIn allow you to connect with potential clients and offer your services. You can expect to earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour depending on your expertise and the type of consulting services you offer. This method requires a good internet connection, a computer, and a good communication skill. In terms of equipment, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. You may also want to invest in a good microphone and webcam if you plan on creating videos or doing online tutoring. Thanks for watching our video on how to make money online. We hope you found the information helpful and that you are now inspired to start your own online business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and please like this video if you found it helpful. In the description below, we have included links to some of the platforms and equipment we mentioned in this video. These links will help you get started on your journey to making money online. From online survey websites to online trading platforms, you will find everything you need to know to start earning money online. If you are interested in content creation, we have also included links to some of the best equipment for creating videos and podcasting. From cameras, to microphones, to lighting equipment, these links will help you get started on creating high-quality content. So, go ahead and check out the links in the description below, and let us know if you have any questions or comments. We would love to hear from you and support you in your journey to making money online. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.